right, what we got? Streamy? Okay. Could you imagine being their neighbor and hearing this? I legit will be doing this all day, every day, just to annoy them to the comments. Whatever that tortilla is going through is valid. Me, after any minor inconvenience, that may or may not be me, I'm just saying. It's like a tormented soul. That's the strangest sound. Imagine the neighbors calling the police. Legit, those police will be freaking shook. They will be outside like, you got it? There's probably like 20 or 30 of them in there.